Hello, my name is Michael Yoo. I'm a first year dental student at Western University in Pomona, California. This video is going to be very quick. I'm just going to show you how to tie a bow tie. Let's get started. Alright, starting off, we're going to want to pull up our collar, like so, and make sure that your bow tie is the right length. I usually start out by making the right side longer, and I tuck that underneath, and I pull it tight from up against my neck. You can see that one side is longer. I want to take the shorter side and flip it over, and you can see that it's starting to resemble a bow tie. What you're going to want to do here is use your index finger and your thumb finger to pinch the bow, like so, and then move your middle finger on top. Pull the longer strand on top of your middle finger, and then pull your middle finger on top of that strand. Alright, you'll notice that that creates a little hole there where your index finger is. And what you're going to do is pull the longer side through that hole. This is where I usually lose a lot of people, but if you can manage this, you're practically there. What you're going to want to do is adjust it and then pull down your collar. Now you can stop at this point and not really do anything, but if you want to create some dimples in your bow tie, you're gonna want to grab onto one side and start pulling on the other. You can see that my finger is through one of the loops and I'm just pulling, and then pull the other side and start adjusting. You're gonna want to do a lot of fiddling with it at this point. You're gonna see that I do quite a bit here but you're gonna start seeing that it's practically a bow tie now, with some two cute dimples in the middle. And now you're set to go off to class, your job interview, or any other scholarly function. Alright, thank you for watching. Hey everybody, thank you for watching that video. Here's a video of a cute puppy trying to howl.
The robot.
Oh! What? What? Oh!